All right, hi everyone. We're going to do a short video to show you how to set up a meeting with someone through the Navigate system. So you're going to go to the Avila homepage, go to Quick Links, click on Current Students, scroll down, and it should be one of your big four options up here. This will take you to the Navigate homepage. It will ask you to log in with your Avila username and password. You're going to click Log In, and it'll take you to your homepage. Once you're logged in, you'll see your homepage. I'm impersonating Dom the Eagle, and we're going to go over here and click Make an Appointment. After you click Make an Appointment, you're going to see this page here to show you different options on where you would like to schedule the appointment and what type of appointment you would like to schedule. So let's say you're going to choose an advising appointment. The meeting topic that you want to do is academic success planning. Let's ask for a meeting for tomorrow, and then you're going to choose find available time. Now this will show you two people that have availability, so Maya Tillman and then Paige Elam. So you can see both of their combined availabilities. So you can choose a meeting. So let's say you want to do Thursday at 11 a.m. That's going to be with Maya, and you'll be able to see the time, the date, your meeting topic, the location of the meeting, who it is, Maya's Zoom personal information, and then her phone number. You can choose how you would like to meet. That can be in person, over the phone, or virtually. So let's choose in person. And then if you wanted to add something, you could say, just needing help with goal setting. And then an email reminder will be sent to your email, and a text message reminder will be sent to your phone number. And then you can type in your phone number right down here, and then you hit schedule. And then once you hit schedule, that meeting will be placed onto your calendar and on Maya's calendar. So that way both of you can remember that you have a meeting set up. So that is how you go into Navigate and schedule an appointment with someone.